Now I'm about to try this Wolf brand chili with beans. And this is what it looks like after I got it out of the can and before I heated it. It's not very appetizing looking. Now this is what it looks like after heating it for 3 minutes in an 1100 horsepower microwave and before I stirred it. Okay, well that's it for this chili. Let me tell you, it had a pretty good flavor. It has plenty of spices. My biggest issue with it was it's too runny. It did not have enough beans or enough meat in it. Like I said, the flavor was pretty good, but there is better. I'm going to rank this, I'm going to say 5. All right, have a great day.